Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Face ID slow working on your iPhone. So guys, if Face ID is slow working on your iPhone, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve all issues. Tap on settings. Tap on general, little bit scroll up to find shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is turned off, wait 5 to 10 seconds, turn it on back and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is check for software updates. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest versions of iOS. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, applying the solution number three. Solution number three is clean the TruePath camera. Ensure the camera lens is free from dust or smudges. Simply you can see appears on screen. Clean the TruePath lens and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is remove protector, glass protector case. Make sure the camera lens is clean and spaceless. If solution number four is not working, now applying the solution number five. Solution number five is check for hardware issue. Ensure your iPhone's TruePath camera is not damaged or faulty. If your iPhone is drop down, visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is disable and re-enable Face ID on your iPhone. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find Face ID, enter your iPhone passcode and disable Face ID, and after 10 to 20 seconds enable it and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is reset Face ID. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find Face ID and passcode, enter your iPhone passcode, little bit scroll up, reset Face ID and set up back and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is check for conflicts with other apps. If you have recently installed a new app, try deleting it to see if it resolves the issue. If solution number 8 is not working, applying the solution number 9. Solution number 9 is reset all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on erase all content and setting, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings and fix your problem. If solution number 9 is not working, now applying the solution number 10. Solution number 10 is ensure proper lighting condition and positioning your face correctly, avoiding excessive facial movements and fix your problem. If solution number 10 is not working, applying the solution number 11. Solution number 11 is visit an Apple store or authorized service provider for further assistance and contact support with apple.com and fix it. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Face ID slow working on iPhone after new iOS 17.5 17.5.1 update. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.